Liz and Perry, the day you have been planning for and waiting for a long time is finally here.
I am so thrilled to finally be celebrating Liz and Perry here today.
Perry, thanks for making Lizzie so happy.
We are thrilled that Liz chose you, and we can't imagine a better life partner for our Lizzie.
Their relationship is genuine, never stressful, and you can tell how happy they are together.
I know the two of you will continue to motivate, inspire, support, and love one another. Congratulations.
To the happy, glowing couple.
A lifetime of love, happiness, and choosing well.